This is Satan by Leyton. That's key. So I'm gonna use the Wallbox Tools 39 thousandths 39 thousandths pry bar, and then the Moki standard. That's a 1, 2, little something out of 3, click out of 6, 5, 6. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did I overset something already? Maybe. 1. So there's 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But something's holding me up. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Switch to the multi-pick medium hook. 2, 3, 4, 5. I may have dropped something. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go, it's open. I just had to push number 6 up just a little bit farther, but that's Satan by Leyton.